Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday March the 25th 2021 we have an additional with extra Sudokus, 8 I believe. The first one is a Sudoku with 1 star, second one 2 stars, third one 3 stars, and the fourth one a 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic puzzle with 4 stars, tectonic puzzle number 2 with 1 star. We have a binary puzzle number 1 and a binary puzzle 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I've told you earlier, I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Those Sudokus are the Sudokus with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, 1 tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle I will do. So total of 4 out of 8 I will solve. Why? Well, too much for me and time consuming. So only 4. If there are any requests, you can place in the comment, and maybe if I have some time, I will solve that Sudoku. Because all the Sudokus, these 8, I will place a link, a PDF link. So if you want to solve them, you can download them and solve it by yourself. Alright, the first one, Sudoku with 3 stars, will be number 2528. 2528. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 4, 16. Plus 4 is 20. 22 plus 3 is equal to 25. Correct. A Sudoku with 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. I believe the 4 stars has 24. I will check this later. And the 2 stars, this one, has 26. Alright, so let's get started. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Or the, you see there, 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And then 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. And then how about the 6 in this column, 6 in the last column? So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, we see there 6, so no 6s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6, should be there. Okay, then 3. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only three places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Alright. How about the number? The number. Yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. 2 boxes left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait. Yeah, I need to wait. Yes. How about 2, 3, 4, 5? Yes, 3 missing numbers in the second row column. Those missing numbers in the second column are the 1, the 2, and the 5. No. 5 we have. The 7. Oh. 1, 2, 7. Oh, 1, 2, 7. Then I cannot do anything with the 7. Oh, I see. No. Yeah, no. I need to wait. 7, 2. Yes, 7, 5. Okay. In this row, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 7 is missing. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this big square. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 5. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and 8. 3 missing numbers now in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 4, the 7, and the 8. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 4 and the 8 in this column. So in one of those 2 boxes, in these 2 boxes, 4 and 8. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes, 4 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 digit left in the first row for the number 7. Okay. 3 and 4. Okay. 1 and a 3. Yes, this big square. We have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. So in the second column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. In the second column, we see here 1, so no 1 there. In one of these 2 boxes is a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. So the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. In the second column for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Okay. Then 2, 4, 3, and 8. Okay, 8, 8, 8, 8. Let me think. 2, 2. Yes, 2 in the last row. 2 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. Yeah, I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number 4, 8, 5? Yeah. 2 numbers left here. The 1 and the 2. Okay. No. 1 and a 3. 4. Okay. These 2 numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 8. That means 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, and a 4. 4, 7, and the 3. 3, 3. Alright. Yeah. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. In the middle row, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here or there. Well, we have another 8. Here an 8, so no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. Now I have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. Alright. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 7 and a 5. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and that box should be a 5. Alright. So 7, 7. Let me see. We have a pair. 7 in this row, 7 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 6 as a pair. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and the 4. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. Alright. Then 7 and a 6. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be an 8, and that box should be a 4. Alright. 1 box left in the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing, and 1 box left in this big square for the number 5 is missing. Alright. 5, 5, okay. Then 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, and 7. 7, 7. 7, 7. I cannot feel this yet. I need to wait. How about the 8? 8 in this row. 8 in the third row. So the row between. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there and 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Number 8. Yes. 7, 7. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 1. We have a 7 and a 1 in this column. So no 7 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 7 and 1. That means these 2 boxes are left in the first column for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. Alright. So 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Alright, 1 number left in this column for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be the 1, and this box should be a 7. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. Last column for the number 7 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 2. Then 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and oh no, we have a 7 and a 6 here. So the 7 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the number 7 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes in there. Now we have a 6 here, so this box can't be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. And the last box should be a 7. Thank you. Yes, finish in 80 minutes. I like this one, yes. Is it a 3 stars? No, I rather think it's a 2 stars. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. I will continue. It's a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.